Monstera Brazil Form, unveiling the beauty within. Hi everyone, Fervu here. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Monstera, specifically the captivating Monstera Brazil Form. This unique plant has garnered attention for its stunning foliage and potential rarity. So, buckle up as we explore the wonders of this botanical gem. What is a Monstera Brazil Form? The Monstera Brazil Form, also known as Monstera deliciosa var. Brazil, or the Brazilian common form, is believed to be native to, you guessed it, Brazil. It's a captivating member of the Araceae family, known for its large, glossy leaves. What sets this form apart? Look closely at the leaves. Compared to the classic Monstera deliciosa, the Brazil form boasts deeper cuts that dissect the leaf towards the center. These cuts, called fenestrations, often create a single row of large holes, with a possible additional row of smaller ones closer to the central vein. The overall leaf shape tends to be rounder, with pointed and slightly curved lobes at the edges. Now, here's the interesting part. The Brazil form isn't an official botanical classification. It's more of a horticultural term used to differentiate this specific growth pattern from the standard Monstera deliciosa. Monstera Brazil Form versus deliciosa. So, how does the Brazil form stack up against its more common cousin? Let's break it down. Leaf size and shape. The Brazil form generally has slightly smaller leaves than the classic Monstera, with a rounder overall shape. The fenestrations tend to be deeper and more pronounced. Maturity. Both forms require maturity to develop the characteristic fenestrations. However, some plant enthusiasts believe the Brazil form might take longer to reach this stage. Rarity. The Brazil form is considered less common than the regular Monstera deliciosa, but its availability can vary depending on your location and plant suppliers. It's important to remember that these are just general observations. Individual plant growth can differ based on various factors like light, watering, and fertilization. How to care for Monstera Brazil Form. Now that you're smitten with this beauty, here's some guidance to keep your Monstera Brazil Form thriving. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Don't let the plant sit in soggy soil, which can lead to root rot. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is preferred. Grouping plants together or using a humidifier can help create a more favorable environment. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. You can use a commercial aeroid mix or create your own with ingredients like perlite, orchid bark, and potting soil. Fertilization. A balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied during the growing season, spring and summer, every 4 to 6 weeks. With proper care, your Monstera Brazil form will reward you with lush, fenestrated leaves that add a touch of the tropics to your space. Is the Monstera Brazil form a true variety? As mentioned earlier, it's not an official botanical variety, but rather a horticultural term used to describe a specific growth pattern. Is the Monstera Brazil form more expensive? Due to its perceived rarity, it might be priced slightly higher than a regular Monstera deliciosa. However, the price can vary depending on the seller and plant size. Can I propagate my Monstera Brazil form? Absolutely. Stem cuttings or leaf cuttings with an aerial root can be used to create new plants. My Monstera Brazil form doesn't have fenestrations. What's wrong? Don't worry. Fenestrations typically appear as the plant matures. Provide it with the right care and patience, and those beautiful splits will eventually emerge. I hope this comprehensive guide has shed light on the fascinating Monstera Brazil form. With its stunning foliage and relatively easy care requirements, this plant is sure to become a treasured addition to your indoor jungle. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below.